This is why you need an eSIM for your next trip. Say goodbye to roaming charges and hello to seamless connectivity. An eSIM or embedded SIM is your digital travel buddy. Forget fumbling with physical SIM cards at each destination. With eSIMs from providers like Airalo, you can buy and install a plan online before you even leave home. Convenience? Check. Flexibility? Absolutely. Cost savings? Oh yeah. Airalo's internet-only plans mean you dodge those dreaded international internet roaming fees. Plus, with the discount code TG8627, you get $3 off your first plan. Go to flygrn.com/eSIM. eSIMs are perfect for popular travel spots like Europe, Canada, Japan, and more. Imagine exploring Paris, strolling through Amsterdam, or adventuring in Tokyo, all while staying connected without hassle. Just ensure your phone supports eSIMs. Most modern smartphones do. Ready to travel smarter? Check out flygrn.com/eSIM and grab your eSIM now using code TG8627 for a sweet discount. Safe travels!